And may I remind you that when Kargil to Profit had broken, similar reaction came from the Congress party for 3 days.
Yes.
For 3 days,
Now
you said media is rubbish. You said Times Now report is rubbish. And then you were forced to sack Ashok Chavan. Why do you want to be forced to do something which is right?
Now, may I?
Yes, I'm waiting. If you answer questions on others.
Yes, yes, certainly. This is I have a report of the others, and wherein the paragraph and page, 2 pages are very important. The 2 points were given to the commission, and on page number 104, it is clearly mentioned this is a government land. And the second point, whether it was for Kargil widows or the other things, the paragraph 21.
So what? Why?
Let me finish. Then what is this? You are not allowing me to finish my point. Also, I can't elaborate anything.
No, I'm letting you. But you know, you should also realize that there's another part which says there's a nexus between the acts of Ashok Chavan and the benefits derived by its close relatives. Will you tell me which page that is on? Which paragraph is that?
Yes.
Yes. So you have so great. So which page and paragraph is it written that there was a quid pro quo which Chavan was part of?
That is 13 April 2012. 13 April 2012. The report, page number 105, paragraph 21.1.
So you admit, therefore.
Just go there.
So you
and
admit,
have a
therefore, that the report talks about nexus.
What the commission is saying.
No, so you have just admitted that the report says there is a nexus of
No,
Ashok
not
Chavan.
nexus. Here it is clear that he is not responsible. My dear, and this is not for Kargil widows, that commission himself is admitting.
Please, I really,
and on a Kargil widow's name, the hype was given.
One minute.
And one
if
more
he's not
thing,
responsible, why is the CBI
more
wanting
thing
to
is very
prosecute him?
important.
No, if he's not responsible, why does the CBI want to prosecute him? No, so you're mixing up facts. Mr. Goyal wants, Smriti wants to come in. It's not between you and me. Smriti.
If you will not, if you are keep on interrupting and if you will not allow me to speak anything, I think there is no point in taking part in this debate.
Mr. Gohil, we begin on a premise that Ashok Chavan has been found guilty.
You just see that even 30 seconds without interruption is not given to me.
Sir, do you believe that Ashok Chavan...
Okay, how can a person can elaborate and say?
Sir, answer my question. Do you believe that Ashok Chavan has been indicted in the Adarsh report or not?
I will answer in my way, not as per your wish.
No, so you answer in whichever way, but has he been indicted or not?
Purely on Adarsh report. I am telling you that there is a 2 things. One is CBI investigation is going on. We are not putting any hurdle in CBI investigation.
Sir, you have refused permission to prosecute.
Report,
sir, you have refused permission to prosecute.
That the same thing against Purushottam Solanki under
Sir, I am talking about Ashok Chavan
of Prevention of Corruption Act. High Court has said Modi didn't give permission.
Sir, I am coming to Modi. Don't modify or modify the argument. I am coming to Modi. You answer me. Why has he been found?
No, you are comparing these 2 leaders and you are not ready to listen.
So then
there is even Abhay Sancheti, BJP MP's brother, has given a finance to 9 flats. That is also in the report. Why are you not talking about that?
I will come to that because you know you are going on and on and on and on and on defending what Rahul Gandhi has done. As a true congressman,
you are not allowing me to finish my point. You are not allowing me to read the one line.
Sir,
without interruption.
Mr. Gohil, you have not even acknowledged so far that the man has been indicted.
Yes.
You are the only person in the world who believes Ashok Chavan has not been indicted.
I'm saying that CBI investigation is going. The man has already resigned from a chief minister.
So where is the CBI investigation?
There was an allegation against Pawan Bansal's relative. Pawan Bansal had resigned, and here a corrupt person continues in Modi's government. Over there, no one has any problem.
Sir,
even a convicted, even High Court certified 420 crores. FIR is filed on the basis of the High Court. Modi didn't allow the permission to file a case. There is no problem. Because that's a BJP. That's Modi.
I agree with you.
Whatever they talk, that's fine.
No, what you are then saying...
Rahul Gandhi has fought against corruption. That was he who implemented that in Youth Congress election. No person can contest election.
Mr. Goyal, now you are taking a lot of time. You are taking a lot of time. You are taking a lot of time. Mr. Goyal, 1 minute. Yeah.
Basically, what you are saying is, if BJP is corrupt, I can be corrupt. Is that your argument? I'm not getting into what you are saying is, oh, BJP did this against Solanki, so I will do it for Ashok Chavan. That's your argument. Your argument right now is,
No,
since BJP is corrupt,
we
I will be
took his
corrupt.
resignation, and Purushottam Solanki is continuing as a minister.
Sir, I'm saying,
Two
so
different
therefore,
facts.
you're not
Don't mix
answering
up.
for yourself,
Purushottam
yeah. I
Solanki
mean, you
is
are saying if the
continuing.
other guy is
Ashok
corrupt, I'll be
Chauhan has
corrupt.
resigned.
One minute.
That's a difference. Totally a difference.
Mr. Gohil, 1 minute. Mr. Gohil, first of all, let me place on record that you have taken a disproportionate amount of time. You should not be complaining today about not getting time. You have taken the maximum time so far in this debate. So I think that's
No,
a very
what
unfair.
I am saying is without interruption, you are not allowing me to speak.
Sir, you know something? I don't like interrupting. But when somebody refuses to answer the question which they are asked, simply because I think you are scared about talking about the whole Rahul Gandhi issue, like all congressmen, you don't want to be seen to be talking.
elaborate the point.
Sir, Rahul Gandhi has just lectured the whole world on corruption at
need to
FICCI.
elaborate the point.
So what about Ashok Chavan? You're not mentioning one word about him. The fact is he's a Maratha leader who you cannot sideline before an election. For you, politics is
I'm
more
telling
important.
you that Ashok Chauhan has resigned
Smriti Irani,
and
please.
he is facing CBI investigation.
No, you
We
have
are
stopped
not coming in the way.
Is it no? Have you or have you not stopped the CBI via the governor from prosecuting Ashok Chavan? Have you or have you not?
He doesn't know.
No, have you or have you not?
No,
Have
what
you
I
or
am
have you
saying,
not?
Why don't you try to understand the
Sir,
facts?
have you or have you not,
No.
through the governor, used the institution of the governor to stop the prosecution against Ashok Chavan? Have you or have you not done that?
Governor is a constitutional head.
Oh,
and we
please
are
don't
not-
tell me that. Please don't
And
tell
then-
me that.
What
Please
happened
don't.
in
Smriti
Gujarat?
Irani is responding to you. That's
Chief
the
Minister
last straw in your
didn't allow
argument,
to,
Mr. Gohil.
prosecution, permission.
Smriti's
High
turn
Court
to rebut.
directed and
Please,
permission
Ashok,
was given. Here in
Shakti
this
Singh
same
Gohil.
case,
May I please? I think what Mr. Gohil tonight is saying on your channel, that the fact that Mr. Ashok Chavan resigned, we should be extremely grateful as a nation for his resignation. Let me reiterate and remind him, Mr. Chavan did not resign. Mr. Chavan was forced out of
In your
office after
in
a
your
public
prime ministerial
outrage
candidate
when the
ministry, no one has resigned.
other scam came out in the open. Times Now was not only a harbinger of that bad news to you, Mr. Gohil, but also highlighted that fact to the entire world. Now, vis-a-vis this Adarsh report, the ATR, if you read, it is very obvious that there are 22 Benami flats on which there is an understanding that prosecution should be done. There are 11 officers who violated
about your
service
Sancheti?
conduct rules, indulged in malpractices, who should be
9
prosecuted.
flats financed
Why
by
Prithviraj
Abhay
Chavan
Sancheti,
suddenly
BJP
tries to
MP's
distance
brother.
himself from the decision to not prosecute on this report by stating that it was not his decision but the decision of his cabinet, is also something that flummoxes me, because as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, ultimately he's also responsible for what decision was taken vis-a-vis rejection of this report.
What about a
Doing-
Shiva Sena member, a former union minister whose name was there in the Adarsh report, eligible for a
I am
600 square feet
reiterating my
flat and
stand,
ended up
Arnab,
getting a 1,000 square feet flat?
Irrespective of political hue, color, ideology, kindly go ahead and prosecute.
No, but why have
anybody
these
who has
mentions?
violated
No,
the
no,
law.
Smriti,
The
do you
BJP has
agree?
Time and again,
No, do you agree
reiterated.
it would serve the BJP better?
Then why Modi has stopped
the
prosecution
do you agree
against
it would serve the
Purushottam
BJP
Solanki?
better to speak about these
If this is
cases
your
also
stand
with the same
as a Vice
enthusiasm that
President
it
of
speaks
BJP,
about Ashok
Why
Chavan?
Modi has stopped the prosecution against Purushottam Solanki?
We have been extremely vehement in our stand. Mr. Gohil, if you permit me to answer this question.
No, just then why your
Since the
chief
BJP is
prime
not in
ministerial
power in
candidate stopped the prosecution against Purushottam Solanki? It was his decision.
Nobody
As a
has
Chief
stopped any
Minister, High
prosecution,
Court
Mr.
passed a
Gohil.
stricture,
In this entire
and even
debate,
though
you
he
have
is
refused
continuing
to
as a
answer any
minister,
question
there is a-
pertaining to Rahul Gandhi, because as a congressman tonight, let me
No,
say,
I have-
it embarrasses you to
responded.
defend the
You
double
say
speak
that
of
you
Rahul
don't
Gandhi.
On the issue of
He
on
has
the issue of
double spoken
corruption.
Not only on corruption,
On the issue of
but also
corruption, my
inflation.
question,
This man
Smriti.
speaks about curbing inflation in the FICCI talk, but his government has been in power since 2004.
Smriti Irani.
Let me ask this.
Smriti
If
Irani, I
inflation
have
is
another
such a
discussion
top
on-
priority, Mr. Gohil, why is it that this
Smriti.
government led by the Congress at the center
Smriti,
has
1
not
minute.
managed to curb prices?
Smriti.
So there are many answers which you have
Smriti
not
Irani,
given
1
on this
minute.
channel tonight,
Smriti.
which have resulted in your loss in the state assembly
Miss
election
Irani.
and will result in a further loss in
Go on, go on.
2014.
Miss Irani, 1 minute.
Yes, Mr.
Miss
Goswami.
Irani, 1 minute. Mr. Goyal, 1 minute. Please don't heckle. Miss Irani, 1 minute. I like it when political parties take
Yes.
a high moral ground on issues of corruption. Now, a BJP
I'm being
spokesman,
very
let me
transparent
get.
in my
I'm
stand.
expanding the debate and then I'm taking a break. I'm coming back. BJP spokesperson from Karnataka says, his name is C.T. Ravi. He says, Kumar Ketkar, that B.S. Yediyurappa who was expelled from the BJP following cases of corruption against him, is all set to make a resounding return to the party. Now, Smriti Irani is absolutely aware that he was indicted by the Lokayukt in an illegal mining case and under investigation by the CBI. But for pure political gain, maybe the same kind of gain that Rahul Gandhi gets by not acting against Ashok Chavan, the BJP looks forward to reuniting with Mr. Yediyurappa. Mr. Ketkar, your comments, and we will get Smriti Irani to respond.
Has BJP made
Mr.
any such
Ketkar.
formal announcement?
Well, actually,
Its announcement is a matter of time,
Goswami,
Smriti.
has
You know it and I
BJP
do as
made
well.
Any such formal? No. Has BJP made any formal announcement?
I am
Then
making-
Why is it that you try to indict me on your program without any
I
announcement?
am quoting.
Why
I don't
is it that
indict.
you're cryptically silent?
I don't indict.
Why is it that you're cryptically silent?
I am
about
not
this whole
cryptically
war
silent on
against
anything.
corruption that the Aam Aadmi Party waged, but today very conveniently joins hand with the Congress Party. to
I am
form
not
government
silent on
in
that.
Delhi.
In fact, no. That has been the
entire
subject.
conversation
No.
was
One
about
second.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi's double speak.
Smriti, on a lighter
in the
note.
event of not getting an answer from Shakti Singh Gohil.
Smriti, on a lighter note, the
Am
two
I
things.
to be grilled for Rahul Gandhi?
No. On a lighter note, the two things I have never been accused of.
Yes.
One is of being cryptic. And the second is of being silent. But I let Kumar Ketkar answer the point on Yediyurappa. Mr. Yediyurappa.
I would never
Sorry,
accuse you
Mr.
of
Kumar
silence,
Ketkar.
sir.
Yes.
Cacophony, yes.
Mr. Ketkar
Mr.
is beginning to
Ketkar.
look like Mr. Yediyurappa now.
Mr.
well,
Ketkar.
actually speaking, Smriti Irani has converted all panel discussions into wonderful slinging matches and wonderful vehement arguments. I don't want to get into that. I don't think the country is divided only between Rahul Gandhi
Mr.
and
Ketkar.
Narendra Modi. I don't think the issue of corruption,
Indulge me for a second.
is only related to other scam. I think Rahul Gandhi was talking about corruption in general and corruption as a phenomenon and corruption in India. On that point alone, I said he's sincere. And the difference is Narendra Modi is a chief minister who can take action against corruption in his own state government. Whereas Rahul Gandhi does not enjoy any administrative post. He can talk and he can pontificate philosophically. He can discuss in theoretical terms, which Narendra Modi cannot afford to. Which perhaps Dr.
Oh,
Manmohan Singh
okay.
But Rahul Gandhi
One
can
minute.
afford to.
Arnab,
My mere contention was that whether Rahul Gandhi was expressing his sincere, obvious wish. And I think that sincerity, what is wrong in accepting sincerity? You can condemn him for not taking action, but he is not in a position to take action. You should have invited Prithviraj Chavan.
Oh, Smriti Irani will respond to that on the other side of the break.